In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on eBay with this full 2025 guide. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. First, sign into your eBay account if you haven't already. Make sure you have full access to your account, as you'll need to navigate through your personal settings. Once signed in, look at the upper left corner of your eBay homepage. You'll see your name. Hover over it. From the drop-down menu, click Account Settings. This is where you can manage all aspects of your eBay profile. In your account settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Close Account. It may take a moment to spot, but be sure to select the right section. Click Close Account and you'll be redirected to eBay's official Close Account page. Scroll down the page and click the Close Account button again. This is the main step that tells eBay you're serious about permanently deleting your account. Next, eBay will ask you to select a reason for closing your account. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Just pick the one that fits your situation. This part is mostly for eBay's feedback and won't affect the process. Once you've chosen your reason, check the confirmation box to verify your decision. Then click Submit Request to proceed. After submitting, eBay will send you confirmation notifications both via email and through the eBay Messages section. These messages confirm that your request has been received and will update you about your account's closure status. Make sure to keep an eye on your email in case eBay asks for any additional verification. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of deleting your eBay account. Remember, once your account is permanently closed, you'll lose access to all your eBay data, so be sure to download or save anything important before starting. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.